What is good, guys, and welcome to another video. See the snow? Yeah, I'm about to go driving and have like normal summer tires on the car, so hopefully the snow doesn't get crazy bad today and it just kind of falls like it is now. Man, I'm still not used to this camera. Yeah. Anyways, wearing the unemployed hoodie again today, and it's quite literally true. We'll get more into that later. Let's jump into the video. Driving around while it's snowing like this, and I know it's not snowing a heap and there's like still no snow on the road and stuff, but this is something that kind of like, I think is cool, because for us in Australia, we don't get this, especially up in Queensland. There's no snow there, and there's only like a little bit of snow down south in Canberra, Victoria. So for me to be able to drive around in this, it feels kind of special. I really need to hang out with some friends. So here we are at Yashio Factory. Gonna get some tires changed out quickly as well. And just kind of have a relaxing, chill day. I just need to, yeah. Today, I'm gonna try my hardest to try and not come across as depressed. But yeah, this week's been a really, really tough one for me. Unfortunately, as you guys know, the whole license thing as well. But this week I got thrown under the bus 2 times. One being with, you know, really close friends, and then the other one being with my work. Unfortunately, both situations really, you know, it wasn't my fault. It's just, you know, to protect themselves and stuff like that, they threw me under the bus. So it feels pretty crap right now, and I'm definitely really emotional about it, but I've always been one to be real with you guys, so I just want to let you know where I'm at. But from this situation, I really feel that it is the perfect opportunity for me to just go completely out on my own, and just, I'm gonna try and do daily videos for the next 2 months. I'm gonna give it a raw hot go. I wanna try and grow this channel as quickly as we can, and I know with your support we can do something. And I know that we can do it. My thoughts are a little bit all over the shop, but you know what I'm trying to say. Thank you so much, guys, and let's do this together. Anyways, enough emotional crap. I think that kind of covers everything that I'm going through. Let's go and just relax and have a good time. How cool does this look? All of Ako-chan's race cars covered in snow. So awesome. Whenever you visit Yashio Factory, it's really important that you give the Sylvia god a sacrifice. And what the Sylvia god really likes is a particular type of tea from 7-Eleven. And it's this one. So get him a bottle of this and you will please the Sylvia god. Okay? I've been really enjoying lately these new Georgia 7-Eleven branded cans of coffee. And they also did some 7-Eleven Boss coffee stuff too. So I'm gonna get probably one of these. Oh, no, I'm gonna go for the gold Georgia. But I'm also gonna get some tea. And pretty much look for anything with the hot marking, and that means that it's hot. This is Ako-chan's family car, and what cracks me up the most is that he runs Advent Racing TC2s on there. Oh man, it's funny. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly change out these tires. These are from Okajuki the other day. Got myself some fully JDM woolen gloves as well. And then afterwards I want to show you this S14 when it's back down off the hoist, because it is super clean and the guy drifts it, and the engine bay is so unmolested, it's amazing. Anyways, let's smash these out. Check out this fresh rubber ready to go. And I didn't dirty my new shoes. Good job, Sam. But seriously though, it is so hard to fit 265s onto just a 9-inch wide wheel. I really need to get some like 9.5s or 10s. But luckily Ako-chan's got one of these arms here. So I was able to just kind of like roll that around over on this side to put pressure down so that the tire would go on. But it is a mission to definitely fit 265s on a 9-inch wheel, especially with this kind of machine. Anyways, good times. This is the S14 engine bay I was telling you about. Everything in here is so unmolested and clean. Makes me jelly. But getting a whole bunch of upgrades, front mount intercooler, new battery, the smaller battery that goes sideways in there so the intercooler piping and everything fits and clears. I'm pretty sure he just got the Yashio Factory coilover kit, as well as he's getting a full oil cooler kit as well. Super cool. And you don't see any S14s this clean in the engine bay and unmolested. Like, he's still even got the rubber silicone hose going to the turbo and stuff. So good to see clean S14s like this. This thing's pretty. And he drifts this too. And he was drifting it with just this crappy side mount. Reminds me of me and my R34 back in Australia, still rocking a side mount. Okay, so I'm all loaded up. I got the fresh rubber in the back. I'm gonna head home now. The weather's supposed to get really, really bad, like blizzard bad. So I need to rush home. But it's always good hanging out with Oka-chan. We got to chat about some cool stuff. And man, I cannot wait till I get an S15, and I know you guys can't either. By the way, guys, thank you so much for your feedback on that other video. Anyways, we're gonna head home. Like I said, me and May don't know what's gonna happen because we're just playing it by ear depending on what the weather does, but we'll definitely have something for you guys, so let's go. It looks like I am getting home at the right time. I don't know if the camera is gonna do this justice, but it is really coming down now with snow. I'm so glad I'm really close to home now because I'll be able to park the car up and the road still won't be caked up with snow, so it'll be super fine. But I think I'm gonna have to invest and get some snow tires for the next few weeks because yeah, it's supposed to get worse and a lot more snow. Guys, May got me this. And if you've ever seen a bunch of movies from Studio Ghibli, you should know what this is. This is like the can of candy from Grave of the Fireflies, possibly the saddest movie ever. You'll only want to watch it once. Yeah, pretty much. But we're gonna try some hard rock candy. It's pretty much just hard rock candy really, but it's just cool because it comes in the can and so nostalgic. They've been selling candy in cans like this in Japan since World War I like era, or even before then. Looks like we got home just in the nick of time. Snow's starting to pile up. But check out my backyard. I gotta show you guys this. It looks so cool. Look at this. Snow's starting to pile up. Look at the tires, the wheels. Look at this. So cool. It's like a winter wonderland. I know you guys probably think this is like super stupid, but just bear with me. I'm Australian, we don't get snow, and anything ice, anything snow, I get excited about like a little kid in a candy store. So this is awesome for me. Hey, 33 parts just kind of sitting there getting snow on them. Luckily they're not going on my car, they're just being listed on Yahoo auctions. But anyways, I don't know, I'm excited about snow. I'm sure you guys up north in the States are like, shut up Sam, you have no idea what snow's like. This is nothing compared to what we get. And you're right. But based on my experience, this is a lot more than I'm used to getting, so it is what it is. But something really cool just arrived. Hang on. Try and not show the address if I can pick this box up. This, and as you can see on the tape, it says Nuke Performance. Wonder what they sent me. Let's find out. Let's pop open this. This is the first time I'm opening this. Hopefully there's no like secret hidden surprises that are gonna scare me. I don't know. I always wonder, like one day, if anyone sends me anything and it's like a gift or, you know, sponsorship or something free or whatever, can you please like prank the hell out of me and put like a spring-loaded like jack-in-the-box? That'd be funny. All right, what they sent me. Ooh, oh my gosh, the packaging looks amazing. It's like all shiny and stuff. So it says Surge Tank, Nuke Performance Surge Tank. Oh, it's heavy too. Put that there for now. What else is in the box? Ooh, some pamphlet stickers. Look at this. They make some seriously cool stuff. Whole bunch of awesome billet gear. Their surge tanks look amazing. Like, look at this stuff, like high quality, next level stuff. I'm so glad to have Nuke Performance on board. This is kind of like an announcement as well, but oh, I can't wait to put these on my car too. All right, what else is in here? Ooh, Dishworks, I hope I said that right. Pump. Looks good. All right, we can get rid of the packaging in the box. Put the pump there. All the goodies and the stickers there. All right, let's see what's inside this thing now. Hang on, how does this open? Oh, like this? Okay, hang on. One-handed stuff. I don't want to break anything. Be gentle. Ooh, man, this looks... What? Okay, when I said that this stuff looks super high quality, this is some next level stuff. Hang on. This is really difficult to get out with one hand. Oh, luckily, I have really big hands. Oh my gosh. The quality of this is amazing. It's actually like a billet tank. The tank itself is billet. So this, what? Focus, damn it. The quality of this is insane. Okay, so I've popped the lid off this thing, and the build quality of this whole unit is just incredible. The whole thing is a billet like canister tank that they've put together. All the pieces that then kind of like screw in here and hold the pump. Now, what they've done is they've sent me a Touge Works like 400 litre per hour pump. This is going to sit inside the tank, and then this is going to go to my engine bay, and the fuel that's getting into this tank is going to come from the Nismo pump that's already in my fuel tank, which is 275 litres per hour. There's no problem with that because my goal is only 500 horsepower. We're not going above that number, so it's more than enough, and the 400 litre per hour Touge Works pump in this will be enough to send fuel to the engine when it needs it, like the extra fuel and stuff for those moments that I'm on like crazy throttle. Okay, so I think you guys have heard me drooling over this product way too much already, but thank you so much, Nuke Performance, for sending out this surge tank. The build quality looks incredible, and I can't wait to put this in the Skyline. So hopefully this kind of hints to you guys what I want to do with the Skyline here in Japan. I am beyond ecstatic that Nuke Performance is supporting me, and their products just look incredible. Now that I've physically seen it in my hands, I'm really excited to keep using more of their stuff, especially on the future builds with the S15s. It'd be so good to get some more of that stuff. Do I have grease on my face? I can't tell if that's a shadow or not. Probably do. But anyways, that's that. Thanks heaps, Nuke Performance. If you guys need anything, go check them out. Just jump in Google and search Nuke Performance. Their stuff's everywhere. A couple other YouTubers like Adam and I think Big Boost even got some of their stuff. It looks incredible. The Swedish really know what they're doing. Man, I'm pumped. Hey, look who's rocking up. It's the Drift Hunter himself. So I've just been waiting in the McDonald's car park for this guy because he has a podcast now. And for some ridiculous reason, he wants me on the podcast today. So we're gonna go and do that in McDonald's of all places. What's up, Albo? I don't know if you guys can see him waving. And so yeah, we're gonna do that podcast. When the podcast comes out, I'll put a link to it in the Discord because I get the feeling that this vlog might be up before the podcast. So make sure you're in the Discord, it'll be a good time. Anyways, we're gonna head inside. So we are currently right now doing the podcast with these really cool, what are they called again?
So these are like it's a dual wireless lav system. So if you see, like, this is the receiver.
Yep.
You have one too.
I've got one too,
and
I'm wired up.
The transmitter's over there on my camera.
Yep.
And we are just here shooting this podcast, and I'm trying to convince Sam to buy one of these, and then he's.
I'm trying to
really
convince him.
Convincing, like I'm just kind of convincing myself that I need to buy it.
I'm convincing him to buy a G7X for some more kind of personalized content from Albo, because while his documentaries are amazing, I think his audience would really like to see more of him.
No, but I'm shy. Nobody wants to see my life story. It's really boring.
All right, cool. So we're gonna keep going with this. Yeah, he's giving me a sticker. It looks super dope.
It's dope.
It is.
It's like red and gold.
Shiny and gold.
It matches your car.
It does. It actually does because it's red. That's actually really cool.
With the gold. You got the gold rims.
Oh yeah. For some reason, Albo's letting me drive his STI, so we're gonna go to a little spot and just try it out, see what it's like.
So remember, we're in studless tires, so you don't want to go too crazy on this.
Don't want to go too crazy. But I mean, who drives a car and doesn't want to go sideways?
Strong brakes, huh?
Yeah, the brakes are pretty decent on these tires. Sorry about your stuff in the back.
It's all good.
Yeah, no, this thing's nice. You can have a lot of fun with this out at Hakone.
Yeah. Especially with some nice grippy tires.
Yeah. I can definitely feel like this wasn't so good on the sidewall of this car, that's for sure. But it felt nice, man.
Yeah.
I'd love to rip this at like Tsukuba Sen or something like that.
It's got good power.
It does, yeah. Back at McDonald's.
Yeah, we just got back, came back to get Sam's car. And I parked back in the same spot I was. And I still don't understand how big this car is, because look how close I was to hitting this. Look at this.
I just tripped over. Like, did you even know that was there when you were backing up?
I didn't. No. Yeah.
If I ever see a big smash in the back of your car, it's because like you're used to driving your Miata.
I know,
and
it's so tiny. It's like 3.5 times bigger.
Yeah. Oh, my thing's another whole length of car.
Oh yeah.
Compared to yours. Yours is a small car compared to mine. This thing's long. So where do you guys think I should stick this Hunter sticker?
In the garbage.
On the guardrail, in the garbage. Should I cut it in the middle and then stick it upside down on the back? What do you reckon?
Yeah, right here, Emperor style.
Maybe,
Right,
we'll see. All right, so it's been fun hanging out with Albo as per usual.
So tiny compared to you.
If you don't know what his channel is, I don't know what you've been doing on the platform. He's literally the discovery channel for pretty much street racing and JDM stuff happening here in Japan. So make sure you check him out.
Got like
What's it called?
Drift something.
Drift Hunters.
Elbow,
Drift Hunter. Drift Elbow Hunter.
Yeah.
I'll put a link in the description. You find it. Yeah, elbow as in, yeah.
All right, see you guys.
Peace out, guys. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the Discord. Check out the Patreon. And I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao, mata ne.
Good. Okay. どうだ